Hi guys, welcome to the Pharmacy Corner. There's been a lot of news in the media last week surrounding Advil, Motrin, Ibuprofen, and other Nsaids, which are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, being dangerous for use in patients with COVID-19. In other words, what they're saying, can it put you at greater risk for the disease? Can it allow you to become more sick? Or even cause you to die if you take ibuprofen while you have COVID-19. Here's the thing. Last week, the French minister came out in a tweet saying do not use ibuprofen, which puts everyone into a frantic mode. A lot of persons, they were so concerned that they're starting to spread this information all over the media. Here's the bottom line of the situation. After researching, his response came based on a publish in the Lancet, which is a French medical journal where they were talking about the receptors, the ACE2 receptors, that allows the virus to enter the lungs. A lot of persons are theorizing that these receptors might have increased if you take ibuprofen. After speaking with virologists, actually persons that study the binding of these viruses, they said that this information has not been established any at all. Why? Because ibuprofen does not increase your risk for COVID-19. Neither does ibuprofen increases the number of receptors. Or even if ibuprofen increases the number of receptors, it does not put you at further risk for getting COVID-19. But here are some limitations why you may not be a suitable candidate in general for taking ibuprofen. Number 1, ibuprofen does not have a good safety profile as paracetamol in reducing fever. Paracetamol is the go-to drug for reducing fever, especially in this situation. Number 2, if you're taking ibuprofen or other Nsaids, it might put you at greater risk for organ damage. One such organ is the kidney. This is why ibuprofen is not the go-to drug. And number 3, if you're taking ibuprofen, it might put you at greater risk for cardiac problems or may worsen your cardiac situations. These are some of the reasons why you should not take ibuprofen. However, if you are a chronic user of ibuprofen prescribed by your doctor, continue using your ibuprofen, or if you have further queries, you can contact your doctor, and I'm sure that he'll be able to clarify some of the points with you. So for the health minister of France to come out in a Twitter and says that do not use ibuprofen in COVID-19, I don't think that is the right thing to say based on the researches and science that we have thus far. Another thing that I want to clarify is the myth surrounding the World Health Organization, WHO, stating that ibuprofen will exacerbate or worsen COVID-19 condition. They did not say that. What they're saying is that ibuprofen is not the preferred drug of choice. Paracetamol, on the other hand, is the preferred drug of choice, especially for patients in COVID-19. However, we are still researching the use of ibuprofen in COVID-19 to see if it has any adverse effects. Until next time guys, please stay safe, share this information with everyone. Thank you. This is Kavar Bennett, your pharmacist, signing out.